Do you want to get hotpot? Huge PR box from Naturium because I thought that they were perceiving me negatively. I was also exuding negative vibes. Good morning. I am up. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the vlog. We're getting ready. Saturday, and for the first weekend in about like a month or at least like 6 weeks, I don't have any plans to hang out with anyone. So today's definitely going to be a fun me day, which is so nice because you guys know I am an introvert, and as much as I love hanging out and seeing my friends, I love spending solo days by myself. We don't have anything too special going on today. I'm just having another regular day. I want to drink my coffee, and then I'm gonna go to the gym, get a little good workout in, and then I might want to go to a cafe or somewhere because I have a lot of editing that I need to do today, and I have been home for the past like 3 or 4 days straight, which is great. You know, I needed the time to be at home, really rest up, and also clean up my space because it really needed it. But I noticed that yesterday when I was home and trying to edit, I was very distracted, and so I kind of want to give myself a little bit of a change of scenery and edit outside. By the way, this Nespresso coffee pod, the Nola one that is in collaboration with Blue Bottle, is so good. It's just so smooth and flavorful. I do get very excited every time I pull one out. Oh my god, you guys, it took me so much longer than I thought it would to get ready. After I worked out, I had to take a shower, obviously, because my hair was kind of gross. And then I fully did my hair, I did my makeup, finally ready to go out. It's a lot later than I thought I would be leaving the house, but at least I'm leaving the house, right? I was so tempted to be like, oh, it's too late, I should just stay in. But it's like, it's 12:45 right now. I feel like it's really not that late for me to go out. I don't know what it's wrong. I don't know. I like low-key have agoraphobia. It's not like legit, but it takes a lot for me to step out of my apartment, and I have to convince myself to really like go out. But anyways, that's all to say, I'm ready. You guys might have seen me wear this very outfit before, I'm not sure, but top is from Marshalls, skirt is from Abercrombie, purse is from Quince. For shoes, I'm going to wear some tennis shoes, and that is all. By the way, I've been using this Cherryosa 59 scent as my everyday fragrance recently. I got it in a PR package from Sol de Janeiro, and it smells so nice. I'm such a big fan of vanilla gourmand scents, and this is perfect. It's not overwhelming at all, and it actually lasts a long time, which I was very, very pleasantly surprised about. Okay, now let's go to the cafe. I got a strawberry matcha latte. Turns out they use like a strawberry milk, I think, instead of strawberry syrup because it looks like a regular matcha latte, but it does have a strawberry flavor. It's like 1:30. I'm like starving. I haven't had anything to eat today, and obviously you guys know I went to the gym. I tried to get 2 different sandwiches here. Well, okay, the story is I tried to order one sandwich. They said they didn't have it. So I tried to order the second one, and then they said that they didn't have that either. And so now I'm like, I need to find somewhere else to go eat because I am literally so hungry. You guys, I didn't get any editing done in the cafe because I didn't get to eat, so I didn't really know what to do. I'm really hungry and I was looking around places that I wanted to go eat, but I haven't been able to find anything that really enticed me. So I don't know if I want to spend money on lunch anymore. It's like gotten a little late and maybe I'll just go home and have like an avocado toast or something. And then also I was supposed to edit, but I didn't get to edit any because I ended up spending so much time arguing with someone on TikTok. So I posted a video earlier today talking about the Hyundai ICE raids in Georgia because they detained over like 400 South Korean citizens that were working at the plant, and I wanted to speak up about it on my platform, and so I did. I got really frustrated and they really do kind of ruin my day. I don't know how to like not care and detach myself from them. I probably should try a little bit harder. It's like, you know, that's just like the name of the game when it comes to content creation. But yeah, that just kind of threw a wrench in my plans and my mood is just kind of like, well, so I don't even know what I want to do at this point. Like I'm hungry and I don't feel like really paying for mediocre food. So I don't know. I want my mood to get a little better, but look at how gorgeous these plates are. I wish I needed more plates because I would love to get this. It's so pretty. I also really like this. It's like a little, what do you call this? A glass container, but I don't have anything that I would need it for, so I'm not going to get it, but it's really pretty. Oh my god, I love Winnie the Pooh. This is so cute. Look at this one. Has all of his friends. And then, of course, there's a lot of fall things because it's September. It's that time of the year. Look at this cute container I found. There are bows all over. I feel like this would be perfect if you need like cotton pads or somewhere to store your Q-tips. And they have different sizes too. I won't be getting them, but if someone needs them, they're very cute and pretty affordable. $7.99. I think this is $6.99. Hi guys, it's much later in the evening and I have not been vlogging as much as I anticipated that I would because quite frankly, I was not having a good day. Couldn't get my sandwich at the cafe and then this like TikTok comment just really irritated me. I was just feeling extra sensitive to everything around me and I felt like everyone was perceiving me very negatively, even if they probably weren't. And then in turn, because I thought that they were perceiving me negatively, I was also exuding negative vibes. And I just like, yeah, I was feeling very blah. And so I didn't vlog a lot. As soon as I got home, I ate, I played with my cat, and I journaled. Journaling really helps me a lot. I know I journaled at the cafe, but I had to come home and write out a lot of my thoughts more. And I think I'm feeling a little bit better since I did that, but even still, I'm just kind of, my mood is still kind of bleh. But the best thing about moods is that they're all temporary, whether it's a happy mood, a sad mood, a blah mood, like the one that I'm feeling right now. Like it's gonna change, whether it's in a few hours or in the next day or two. At some point, something will change and I will no longer feel this way. And tomorrow is a new day, fresh beginnings, more possibilities for good things to happen, right? So I am just going to do my skincare, go to sleep early, and we'll try again tomorrow and hopefully things will feel a little bit better. Good morning, friends. It is the next day and I am clearly in a little bit of a better mood than I was yesterday. Thank goodness. You know, sometimes all we need is time to just you know, get back on track. But yes, it is Sunday and I think it's 11 o'clock right now and I was gonna stay in all day because it is raining outside. It is not looking that great. But my friend just texted me and she was like, girl, do you want to get hot pot? Is that even a question? Hot pot is literally my favorite food. I could eat it every single day. So I was like, hell yeah. So comforting, especially when it's raining. So like I'm even more down. Even though I shouldn't be spending money on food, it's okay. It's okay. So I'm gonna just put on some makeup right now and get ready. I think I'm gonna do something like really simple though. I don't feel like going all out. No lashes, no nothing. I'm just probably gonna mostly do like skin. Just wanna fix up my complexion a little bit, add some blush, and yeah, so let's do a little, what is it called? Let's do a little time lapse of my makeup, shall we? getting ready. This is the fit. What do you think? I went for like very cozy, comfy vibes. And normally I would not be wearing jeans to hot pot because I feel like usually I end up eating a lot and I want to be really comfortable. But because it's raining outside, I don't want to wear like any long pants. And these shorts are pretty comfortable, like they're very spacious, so I just figured this is fine. The shorts are from Abercrombie, as most of my bottoms usually are. Top is from Madewell. This flannel on top, I feel like I get a lot of questions about it, but this, I got this at the most random place. I got it at this place called Ocean State Job Lot. If you're in the New England area, you might be familiar, but it's basically like an overstock store. And this is my prized possession flannel. It is super warm because it's from the men's section. I just love the color. I love the way it fits. During the winter time, this is like pretty much all I wear because it's so cozy and comfy. I'm just waiting for Fatima to come pick me up. Like she says she'll be here in about like 5 or 10 minutes, so shouldn't be too long. I think we're gonna head over to Alston. There's this one place that I've been wanting to try called Chow Lin. My foodie friend Joy actually recommended it and she said that it has the most flavorful broth. So it's like her favorite spot in Boston. And that's saying a lot because if you know the area, there are a ton of hot pot places, like one on every corner. So to say that it's the best is pretty high standards, I would say. But the only concern is that there's no parking like there. It's all street parking only. So if we don't end up finding a spot, we're gonna zoom on over to Spring Shabu, which does have a parking lot, and that's an all-you-can-eat buffet, and it's very good. Anyways, I'm gonna go downstairs now and wait for Fatima. Hello! How are ya?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you for coming to pick me up.
Of course, anytime.
So it's actually Fatima's first time at Hot Pot. She's looking at all of the broth options. So I like to always get the spicy mala broth. Some people like the kimchi broth a lot as well, if you like a spicy. Oh, the tomato is new. They didn't used to have that. Tomato is like it's more like a sweet and savory. Okay. Yeah, the mala's good. I like that one.
Kimchi?
People like the kimchi. It's just not as spicy as the mala, in my opinion. Yeah.
I like spicy.
Yeah. Like for beef, it just depends on if you like fatty or not fatty beef. So like beef belly is the most fatty.
Yeah.
And then the ribeye and then the top blade, it's like the least fatty. I like a ribeye or the top blade.
I was the ribeye.
Yeah. Best part of the meal is the ice cream. Okay, I decided I only wanted vanilla and not a swirl. Fatima agrees. This is literally the best ice cream in the world.
Yes.
It's so good. So custardy. First hot pot experience.
Absolutely a 10 out of 10. It was so good. What I really liked most, the fish cake with the jalapeno.
Yum.
The beef was great. This broth.
The dipping sauce.
This sauce. TikTok helped me make the sauce. I won't lie. The noodles, they were so good.
And there's so many other noodles to try too. Oh my god. Fear I may have created a monster, but now I have a friend to come eat hot pot with again. More friends to eat hot pot with because every friend I bring here, they do fall in love. It's that good. Hi guys, Fatima just dropped me off back home. We had a wonderful lunch. I can't believe it was her first time ever having a hot pot, and I'm so glad that I got to go with her and kind of teach her a little bit of the basics of it. We had such a fun time just eating, catching up. She's such a fun friend, and I always enjoy like spending time together. It's one of those friendships where like after we hang out, I don't feel super drained, and I always think that that's like a great indication of a good friendship. I'm also really proud of myself because a lot of times when I go to Spring Shabu specifically, because it's all you can eat, I have a tendency to like go overboard and try to eat like a lot because I want to like get my money's worth, which isn't always a very healthy mindset. So today I practiced healthy portion control. So I had like 1 plate of veggies, some beef, and then a bowl of fish cake. And I felt very like satisfied and I didn't feel like I overate. So I'm very happy and proud of myself for that. And then I also got this huge PR box from Naturium and I wanted to show you guys what we got because I did do an unboxing on TikTok already, but I also wanted to show you guys in case you're not following me on TikTok. So this is the box. They packaged it so cute. And my favorite thing is that they sent over this and it looks like a newspaper. So if you don't know, in a lot of PR boxes, there's usually like an index card that tells you a little bit more about each product that they sent, and it gives you like little details and like what the benefits of each product is. And that's exactly what they did. But instead of putting it on an index card, they made it like a newspaper. So this is what it looks like. I had so much fun just reading through every single thing that they wrote in here so that I really understand each product and how it's gonna benefit my skin. I thought this was so cute. There's a keychain that says consistency is key to the skin you love. And I would go even a step further and say that consistency is the key to doing anything, whether it's skincare, if it's content creation, if it's working out, eating healthy, like with anything, consistency and finding a balance is always going to be key, is what I found. Let's get into the products. They sent me 2 items from their Glow Getter line. This is the multi-oil body wash, and then we have the multi-oil body butter. This has a very light coconut scent, I believe. I think it's coconut, but I like that they're not heavily perfumed. I do have sensitive skin and not everything breaks me out, but I do find that if a product is heavily perfumed, there's a higher likelihood that my skin will not react super well to it. So for the most part, if I haven't tried it already, I do like to go for things that are a little bit more on the fragrance-free side. For skincare, they sent me 2 items here. This first one is the multi-peptide moisturizer. I like that it comes in like this kind of pump, and this can be used on your face for both morning and nighttime. And then this right here is the vitamin C complex serum. It also comes in a pump, and vitamin C is really good for your skin when it comes to like wanting to brighten up certain areas. So especially if you have like acne scarring, that's what I like to use vitamin C for. So I put it on top of like really dark areas. I believe that this is also supposed to be good for helping to increase the production of collagen in our skin. And then lastly, they sent me 3 of their lip balms. I have one of them here. It's called the Phyto Glow Lip Balm, and this one is in the color Petal. It's like a very pretty light nude pink, and I love this applicator tip. I just love the shape of the tip. It like hugs the curves of my lips so well. That's everything that I got from Naturium, and I'm so thankful that they sent me anything, and I'm really excited to try out all of these products. All right, you guys, I think this is where I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button maybe consider subscribing to me. You don't have to, but I would really appreciate it if you did. I upload here on YouTube every Tuesday, so you're guaranteed 1 piece of content to watch, and if you want to see more daily type of content, I post on Instagram and TikTok every single day. So you can find my face on all the platforms. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have the best day, besties. Bye!